Today I'm going to install a top case on this Yamaha Majesty 400. To do that I bought a specific rear rack kit from the Italian company named Kappa. It's the daughter company of well-known company Givi. It's Kappa. This kit is Kappa K331 and it's specific for this bike. Givi makes the same kit, but they call it E331. Basically it's the same thing. It comes with this specific rear rack, and there is mounting plate and it's monokey mounting plate. There are two different types of this mounting plate. One is monokey, this one, and there is a monolock. There is difference between those two. A monolock is usually used for lightweight bikes, smaller scooters and so on. So it's important to buy the same case to fit on this plate, but it doesn't matter if this is a Kappa or Givi. So I have Kappa mounting plate, it's monokey, and I bought a Givi monokey and it will fit perfectly. And there is all necessary hardware that you need to install this case. Right now I'm going to stop recording this video and I'm going to group all these parts because it's going to be much easier to install this case. And here are some instructions how to do this. Okay guys, let's start with the installation. First, we need to remove passenger seat. To do that, you need to open under seat storage area and remove only one screw. It's right here. The next step is to remove this plastic cover. There are two screws holding this plastic cover and they are located right here. Now we can take this cover and now we can start our installation. Just follow those instructions and we are going to be fine. Basically, I have to show you something first. There are 4 holes that are going to hold this rear rack. And I want to tell you one thing I forgot to mention before. This is Kappa or Givi system. Shred, also well known manufacturer of the top cases, motorcycle cases. He has a totally different system. Their work requires you to drill the holes through this plastic cover. This plastic cover, and I didn't want to do that, so I choose Kappa. And right now I see a problem because I'm not sure, can you see, but here there's not enough room for me. It is going to be really hard to screw this, to tighten the screw that holds the passenger seat. Guys, this is how it looks. It fits perfectly.